12 hours earlier.
Well,
another fine mess I've gotten us into.
Here we go. We have to go to the SHOT Show again.
Again. Oh God, twist our arms.
Yeah. So we're off to Las Vegas. In a few hours, we'll be mounting a deer head in the lobby of a dark restaurant.
With about 350 people.
Plus about,
not able to even hear each other.
With plus people looking in the window.
Oh yeah, with thousands going by.
Thousands going by. So it's always an adventure. Anyway.
Yeehaw, the road calls.
Yes, we're off in a cloud of hen shit.
Don't be scratching stuff. Another fine mess you've gotten us into, Chuck Testa.
That's it.
We're here at the carpet party. It's really old, doesn't know what we're doing. This is a deer, black-tailed deer, California black-tailed deer. It only has one antler. We'll tell a story later, but
yeah,
best taxidermist from Mountain is gonna mount my deer.
Be sure you check out Jeremiah's videos on YouTube. All right, we're gonna get going. We got the eyes set, upper lower lid. Now we're gonna put our smoothing clay on. The next clay is putting on. It's not to change the mannequin, it's just the smoothing.
So tonight, Chuck's mounting my black-tailed deer, and if you notice, it only has one antler on it. The story behind this deer was actually shot at 7 times by another hunter earlier in the season, and the hunter missed it the entire time. The last shot he took, he skinned the top of the head and actually blew the antler off. And they thought the deer died. They went up on it. The deer ran away. A month later, I come up on that deer, and its head's up in the tree, and I end up taking it. And so there's a story behind it, because I was hearing about this giant black-tailed buck that he had shot, and he was telling me the story, and we come upon the deer, and I shoot it, and it's that deer that I heard a story about. And so it's pretty cool. This deer's an 8-year-old black-tailed buck. It's got a 19.5-inch neck. A standard California blacktail has a 16.5-inch neck, so it's a big old blacktail, and it's lived. And so it's kind of a cool thing. They wanted to reproduce the horn, and I said I wanted to keep the antlers exactly the same because of the story behind this deer lived for 8 years and got missed 7 times until I had a chance to take it. So it's cool that Chuck's doing it live. I'm pretty excited for it.
It's Taxidermy by Kim. Her name is Kim
I thought they were going